In the quiet space where striving ends, a deeper knowing gently comes. No hunger for reward or praise, no pull of sorrow or delight, only stillness opening wide as truth descends like living light. A cloud of knowing gathers here, soft and vast beyond the mind. Not joy or grief, not gain or loss, only unity, only divine. I stand within the sacred flow where self dissolves into the whole, held inside the silent gift, the cloud of spiritual knowledge. Every step now serves the all, no separate will, no private aim. Each breath moves with a higher tide, no need to claim, no need to name. Detached from every lesser flame, the heart grows clear, the path grows still. I see the pattern woven through a greater purpose moving on. A cloud of knowing gathers here, soft and vast beyond the mind. Not joy or grief, not gain or loss, only unity, only divine. I stand within the sacred flow where self dissolves into the whole, held inside the silent gift, the cloud of spiritual knowledge. Nothing taken, nothing owned, nothing lost, nothing gained, only service, only truth, only light that still remains. A cloud of knowing gathers here, pure and calm beyond all form. No shadow left to pull me back, no self to shield, no self to guard. I walk within the greater plan, aligned with what has always been, resting in the silent grace, the cloud of spiritual knowledge. Stillness speaks, the soul listens. stillness speaks. The soul listens.